Okay, hello there viewers. So let's try this part, the summation of series. Firstly, we want to find the Sn formula, and then second, we want to find the least number of terms to exceed a certain value. Both of them are very, what you call that, exam usual questions. Okay, so let's have a look. So just like last time for AP arithmetic, so Sn is still the same, T1 plus T2 and so on. But the formula is given something like this. Okay, and in this case, we have two formulas because one is for r is more than 1, the other one is r for less than 1. Should you really care? If you compute, you will kind of get the same answer, but you will get the same answers. Just one way there is easier than the other way, because if you're just going to have negative. Okay, so if you do it the other way around, if you do it this way, then you're going to get yourself, the calculation is a bit easier because 1 minus r there, because if r is smaller, then I get positive. As you see the 1 minus r here, if r is smaller, then it's going to be positive. If the r minus 1, if r is bigger, then I'm going to get positive. Basically, just make your calculation easier. Okay, don't worry too much. So let's try. So let's say if you're given this question, the first term is 27 and the common ratio is 4/3. Now find the sum of the first 5 terms. And the second one, you want the least number of terms of the sequence can have sum exceed 550. Just let us do the first one. Okay, so sum of the first 5 terms, so you want to use this one. Since we can say that r is more than 1, so we choose this formula. Nothing much, just plug into the formula and you can solve it. Right, as easy as that. Okay, for the second one, least number of terms sequence can have is sum exceed 550. This is quite a common exam question, so please listen very carefully. Right, so for this one here, from the first part, we know that A is 27, R is 4/3. Okay, that's given, and suppose Sn is more than that, 550. So yeah, you need to know to write this one first. Sn is more than 550 because it says the sequence sum exceeds 550. So that's why we need to have more than 550. So just plug into the formula and try and solve it, and you find n. And you can use power, you can use log, or you can figure out that, oh, this one is harder. You can use the normal way. So use log both sides and try to solve it from there. So you get yourself n is more than 7.136, but n must be a whole number. N is a whole number. Why n need to be a whole number? Well, we are talking about term. You can have term 1, you can have term 2, have term 3, but you cannot have something like t0.5. It just doesn't exist. You have the first term, second term, but you don't have the term in the middle. So that's why n need to be a whole number. So we just write down n is 8. The least number of n is 8. Okay, and that's all. So thank you for watching, and please comment, share, like, and subscribe. All the best for your exams. Bye.